Hello guys, recently I have created a new YouTube channel, by name AI Explain. Channel link is provided in the description. Make sure to subscribe and support my new journey. This video is brought to you by AI Juice. Get ready to use professional and easy to use transitions and presets. You can get them individually or you can get it in a bundle. Check out the first link in the description. Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Here you can see, I have already imported the files required for this project. Now let's see how to create this title. Create a new composition. I will name it as trailer title. Time duration for this composition will be just 5 seconds. Perfect. Now let's add the texture media file to the timeline, scale it to fit the screen. For this texture media file, in Effects and Preset, search for Tritone. Add it to the texture. Now set the midtone color as shown. Perfect. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Curves. Add it to the texture media. Now adjust the curves as shown. Perfect. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Motion Tile. Add it to the texture. Now at Start, create keyframe for Tile Center. Now at end of the timeline, slightly adjust the Y position of Tile Center. Select Mirror Edge. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now let's add our text. Here you can add any text of your choice. For this text, here I will be using Go Bold font family, style to regular. Align it to center. Now to position anchor point to center. Double click on this anchor point tool. It will place anchor point at center. Now for text layer, press S to bring up scale. Now at Start, create keyframe for scale. Now at End, change scale to 120. Perfect. Now for texture, change track matte to alpha matte text. Now let's add the particles media file to the timeline. Now click on this preserve transparency icon. Now for text, change track matte to luma matte particle. To see the particle in the text, enable the particle media file. You can see the particles and only within the text. Perfect. Now select all the layers. pre-compose them. I will name it as text. Perfect. Now let's add the smoke media file to the timeline. For smoke, press T to bring up opacity, at 1 second, create keyframe for opacity. Now at start, change opacity to 0%. Now let's add the ink media file to the timeline. We need to position this ink over the text. You can also increase the scale value. For text, change track matte to Luma inverted matte ink. You can see the preview. Depending on your text size, you can adjust the ink media file. For text, change mode to screen. Perfect. Now let's create a new adjustment layer. Now in Effects and Preset, search for curves. Add it to the adjustment layer. Adjust the curves as shown. Perfect. Now in Effects and Preset, search for noise. Add it to the adjustment layer. For noise, set amount to 5. Now let's create frame. Create a new solid. I will name it as frame. Now double click on this rectangle tool to create mask. You can see the mask. For mask, change the path. Set unit to % of source, set top to 10%, bottom to 90%. Select inverted. Now let's see the complete preview. Perfect. Here our trailer title is created. Similarly, you can create multiple title and create your trailer. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you next week with another awesome tutorial.